got for me?
I've got a 35-year-old Air Force colonel, crushed his lower spine in some kind of experimental armor, mid-thoracic burst fracture.
Yeah, well, I could help, but so could 50 other people. Find me something worth my time.
I have a 68-year-old female with an advanced brainstem glioma.
Yeah, you want me to screw up my perfect record? Definitely not.
How about a 22-year-old female with an electronic implant in her brain to control schizophrenia struck by lightning?
That does sound interesting. Can you send me the... Got it.
It's okay. It's gonna be okay.
What did they do?
They rushed you in a chopper, but it took a little while to find you. The golden hours for nerve damage went by while you were in the car.
What did they do?
11 stainless steel pins in the bones. Multiple torn ligaments. Severe nerve damage in both hands. You were on the table for 11 hours.
Look at these fixators.
No one could have done better.
I could have done better.